Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to do a huge shopping haul. You know guys, I do my weekly shopping and after that I put them together, then I just do the haul. And guys, those are the stuff that I have from the thrift store, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby and other stores. Okay guys, let's jump into the video. This work have been sent to me by a company. Guys, I already know I'm changing everything to black, white, gold and silver. That's all the color that I'm going to put together to change my home for fall. And guys, and this rug is made of straw. It's an outdoor rug. It's made of straw. You can use both sides. This one is a black and white part. You have more black in this side, and the other side you have more white, so you can use it either way. This is the same quality of rug that I use in my patio makeover. And guys, I'm going to leave, if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to leave the video in the link up there in the description box down below. That's how it look like. Both side, the black, the more black or more white, it's all depending what you like most. If you're interested in buying one, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. And like I said, it's made of straws. It's waterproof. You can put it outside so it's not going to damage it. And yeah, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out if you want to buy one. There's a hook that come with it. Guys, don't forget to check the link down below if you want one. This tray, I got it from the thrift store, and guys, I think the original price was $36, something like that, and I paid $6.99 for it. It wasn't on sale at the thrift store, but $6.99 was a decent price for one, because I needed one, and I find it at the thrift store. It was a perfect timing for me. This one I get it from the thrift store too. It is one of my favorite find, guys. The price was $11.99. It wasn't on sale at the thrift store, but $11.99 is a good price. I looked it up online and the original price was $104. I'm gonna show you the picture. $104, and I just missed the tax, so I can buy it like $1, $2. I already look it up. And guys, it's super nice. It will go super well with my home decor. The candle holders from the thrift store, I paid $4.99 for 4. Not bad at all. So the time when I went to the thrift store, I don't know, it's because of the holiday, they don't have too many things on sale. So for the price, it's convenient, so I take them. This one, I think I have like 6 for $5.99, still like $1 a piece. Not bad at all, because I'm just packing up on my cobalt blue, because I have some killer table setting in cobalt blue, white and blue, so coming up, so you don't want to miss that, guys. Please stay tuned. All the things that I'm going to show right now come from the thrift store. So guys, yeah, and I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you around. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit on the notification, guys. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, weekly vlog, clean with me, and I'm currently working on nursing vlog and all the good stuff. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, what's stopping you from subscribing? To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you guys, and keep on watching. I got this from the thrift store for $6.99. I already have 2 of them. but $6.99 I will never leave it at the store. It's so nice. And then I bought them. Mine come from Z-Gallerie. They were so expensive. And this one, yes, I would not leave it. And those one from the Dollar Tree, I just do a DIY with it. So because I'm going, you know, black, gold, silver, and that's the color I'm going for. So those one from Burlington, I couldn't find any bigger white, but I found the small white and the big one. I take them. But I don't know if this store that I went, they didn't have that much. And I know the small and the big one will go well together, so I'll make it work. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci, s'il vous plaît, pas bien abonner et puis partager vidéo. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous côté moi acheter bagay pour moi décorer comme moi. Si vous nous connaissez moi bien décorer comme moi en pile et moi pas arrêter avec un seul bagay tout le temps la bin trop boring, so ça fait moi toujours à acheter some new bagay qui nouveau pour me mettre sur channel là pour me mettre dans caméra pour faire qu'elle la vie plus belle. Sinon pas la première fois, moi dis merci un pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. I got this from the thrift store, and the original price was $14.99, and I paid $7.50 for it. And those copper blue vase were 99 cents. I have several of them right now, and I'm packing up on as much as I can find. This one was $1.99. I like the texture, the color. Guys, you know I make a lot of centerpiece, so I have to have variety of things just to make my centerpiece. And this one, it was I paid $3 for it. But imagine that only one is $6.99. Only one, $6.99, and I paid $3 for 4, and it's super nice. And I like the texture and everything. These chargers are 50 cents, and the original price was 99 cents, and they were on sale at Goodwill for 50 cents. Those as well, 50 cents. They pretty, and original price of this one was $1.99 at all time, and it was nice. So to have it for 50 cents is good. And guys, I have a lot of them. As you can see the difference, the one from the Dollar Tree and the one from the old time. A lot of DIY going on, guys, so stay tuned to see. And those are placemats from Amazon. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir des nouveautés, et j'achète beaucoup de choses pour décorer ma maison parce que j'aime décorer ma maison. Je change souvent la décoration dans ma maison. C'est pour cette raison que j'aime acheter des nouveautés, des choses stylées dans mon goût. Ok guys, si vous n'êtes pas ici pour la première fois, merci beaucoup pour votre support. Je vous aime. I got this candle holder from the thrift store. It was $9.99. Guys, as you can see, it's so beautiful. $9.99 for this. Yes, please. And they were brand new, and I like them so much. So I may not use it right away, but I like to have all my stuff here. So whenever I'm ready to make a tablescape or decorate my home, I have everything that I may need. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it in the box back and save it in my storage. I picked those from Home Goods from my last trip. I was looking for some white and gold pumpkins, so I find them. They're so nice, and $16.99 for each. That's not bad. I don't really go too crazy buying pumpkins because I know after Thanksgiving I'm going to pack up in my clearance. This one from the thrift store for $1.99. It is so cute. It will be very pretty in my coffee table with the red rose. And guys, this one I pay $1 for two, 50 cents each. Hit up online and they are 3 for $24.99. And I think that it's a good deal. As you can see, $24.99 for 3, and I paid $1 for 2. That's a good deal. And guys, this package from Hobby Lobby. Remember the last trip that I did from Hobby Lobby, and they wasn't on sale. I was waiting for them to be on sale, and when they were on sale, that was the week I had to work, so I couldn't go to the store, so I ordered them online. And guys, this what I get from this flower because I love them and I say I must have them. So yes, I bought them online. They were 50% off and they're so beautiful. Guys, please stay on the lookout. I have a gorgeous table setting that come in with those beautiful flowers. You don't want to miss it. I didn't buy that much in the black color because I love the other one better, so I just picked 3. I might go back to buy 3 more. I'm not sure yet, but my favorite one is the cream one. I got those candles from Publix. They were on sale. Buy one get one free. I picked up 4, and this one is my favorite scent. And guys, it smells so good. To me, it's my preference. And I think the original price was $7.99, and I buy them buy one get one free. Those dining plate set from Walmart, and I pay $18. At the store, it's more money, but online I pay $18 since the set is 4. And I bought 2 sets because, and you know, I like to make a table for 6 because of my family size. This one I wanted the option to have like for 6, and it's so nice. I like the shape and the way it's for $18.99. I think is a good price. I get 2 sets. This set I bought it as well from Walmart, but I forgot about it. And I'm like that. Sometimes I buy the thing, I just don't remember that I have it. It's like similar to the white and blue, but the soup bowl or the cereal bowl is different. That's the only difference. And this one is more expensive. It was like $39.99, and it was the original price was $49.99, but it was on sale for $39.99 at Walmart.com. So I ordered only 1 set. But guys, it's nice. So yeah, I keep it. And I saved the best for last. You guys know I love my ginger jar, and I find this one at Home Goods from my last trip. I paid $79.99 for it. I have a smaller size now. I have the big one. And guys, I saw this online, and when I tried to buy it, it was $159 for the medium one, I guess. But this one is a super large one, and I pay $79.99 at Home Goods. I love it so much. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.